everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome you from Pench. Well, hope you're following my series of Northeastern Fantasy. We are right now at the Pench National Park. If you're not subscribed, this is a good time to hit the subscribe. Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet, and if you're new to my channel, I'm a professional DJ, an event manager, also a blogger on YouTube. You can also catch me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Well, if you've not seen it, I'm on a epic northeastern fantasy trip all the way from Bangalore to Sikkim, and then we went to Varanasi and to Jabalpur. We reached Pench. So right now we are at Pench Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra. This is a Maharashtrian part of Pench, not the Madhya Pradesh. There are gates both in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Pench is one of the biggest forest ranges in India. So there are multiple entrances, multiple tiger safaris, and we did a tiger safari last evening at the Maharashtrian side of the Pench Tiger Reserve, and we stayed over at this beautiful resort. Muan is the name of the resort, and it has a beautiful spread of villas, cottages, activities, lot of things you should visit. If you're coming to Pench, you can visit this resort. I'll just show you around a few glimpses on the drone and a walk around of the resort. Here it is. In the car, you will not find. In the car, this is the restaurant area. Bridge leading up to the resort through these woods. And that's the reception area. Well, we just crossed Nagpur and another 1,000 kilometers to go to reach Bangalore. Not sure whether we'll stay over at Hyderabad or drive straight to Bangalore. The time right now it's around 1:30. Hope we should be able to reach Bangalore by early morning if we drive non-stop. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Well, we just stopped for lunch just about 200 kilometers from Hyderabad, and the time right now it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and we stopped at some dhaba, that's the one, and hoping to reach further from Hyderabad if we have to take a break. I'm going to be driving non-stop most probably. Let's see how it goes. stay tuned. Catch you on the other side. That's the dhaba. Well, if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates and all my videos. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page is also Djmahaneet. Cheers. That's it from this long series of Northeast Fantasy. See you on the next ride. Until then, it's ciao.